Hi students, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered very clearly up to pattern number 6. Now in today's session, we are going to talk about the seventh pattern. What is the seventh pattern here is, sir, I want to print pattern in this style. Assume, so we have 6 columns are there, 6 rows are there. This is nothing but my requirement. Assume I want to take 8 or 9 or 10, like that I am going to take. Sir, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10. Okay, 10. So 10 rows 10 columns I am taking. Parallelly, 10 rows I want to take. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 rows. Sir, do you know I want to print so up to 10. 10 by 2 means what? 5. So first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Up to this it is okay, but in the remaining places I want to get empty places like this. Okay, remaining places I want to get empty spaces like this. That means here my output should be in this particular format. Okay, my output should be in this particular format. This is nothing but my requirement. That means we are going to fill exactly half of the stars. We are going to print, we are going to fill exactly half of the stars. In the top half we are going to print. Let us see how we can able to write a program for this. Sir, if you observe the logic for this program, have a look once. Here you can able to see this is a first row, this is a second row, like this will become, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is nothing but a 10th row, and this is the first column, this is the second column, and this will become 10th column. You can see here, this is a third row, this is a fourth row, this is a fifth row. So whenever you are taking the value of I, the value of I, if it is less than or equal to the total number of rows, which is nothing but a 10. So if I take a 10 double slash 2, what is a 10 double slash 2 value? It is nothing but a 5. So until the value of I is less than or equal to 5, we need to print stars. We need to print stars. Suppose if this condition is false, means then we have to print an empty space. This is nothing but the logic what we have to print this seventh pattern. Okay, let us execute this code. Really, whether we can able to print these type of stars or not, we can able to see, sir. Okay, let us go for execution. Sir, here I am going to write a program. For I, the value of I is in the range of from 1 to 11, so that it is going to print 10 stars. It is going to print 10 rows. Similarly, for j value in the range of 1 to 11, it is going to take 10 columns. So if the value of I is equal to 1, or if the value of I is equal to 10, or if the value of j is equal to 1, or if the value of j is equal to 10, what is our requirement? We have to print a star. Otherwise, we are going to take, separated by spaces. Sir, else, if this condition is not satisfied, we are printing a star and we are going to take an empty space. Sir, once if a first row got completed, we are printing or we are transferring the control to next line. Let us execute this code. Py space test dot py. Sir, this is the program which we have done in the very beginning days. Now what will happen? We are going to get all the stars here in the borders, Okay, in the borders alone, we are going to get the stars, sir. Okay, now my requirement is, sir, in the first row, I want a star. In the last row, I want a star. When j is equal to 1 also, I want a star. When j is equal to 10 also, I want a star. Sir, one more condition. When the value of I is less than, so 10 by 2. 10 by 2. That means half, half. Or we can take 11 by 2, because you can see here we have given 11, right? That's why. Otherwise, better to take 10 only, because we know exactly I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, and so on. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, and so on up to I is equal to 10. When the value of I is less than or equal to 5, we are going to print star. In the remaining places only, I'm taking space. Now you can see the output. Have you observed here? First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Up to this, the complete stars got printed. Up to this, the complete stars got printed. So my concentration is in this area. This area is filled with the star and this area is empty. Like this, we are going to write. This is the way how we can implement this particular program. I think you people got a clarity how we can work with this application. Anyway, remaining things we are going to cover in the next video. Okay, thank you.